Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how we can connect this line mixer and this condenser mic with your mobile phone, and you can go live on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or any of your preferred application. So guys, for the full video, all of you stay tuned.
Karen Jeckley Live.
So guys, to go live online using your mobile, okay, so what we need is you need to connect this line mixer. Okay, so as I told you, like in this video I'm going to show you like how you can connect this line mixer with your mobile phone, and then you can go online on Facebook or Instagram, TikTok, whatever app you prefer to use. So guys, to do this thing, okay, so if you're watching this video, I assume you already have a line mixer. So guys, if you have this particular model, so this model can directly connect to the PC. Okay, so it can directly connect to the PC using the USB. Okay, but if you do not have this model, so you have some other model of line mixer which do not connect directly to PC. Okay, so then what you need is you need one of this. So guys, what is this? This is a sound card. Okay, so I'm using my a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So it does not have this 3.5 mm jack. And most of the phones these days, they do not have it. So they come with this C type charging. Okay, so what you need is we call it as a sound card. Okay, so on one side it has the C type slot, on another side it has this slot for 3.5 mm audio jack. Okay, so this is the most important thing which you need for this setup. Okay, so where you can buy it, I will leave the link in the description. And in case you want to connect your line mixer to your laptop, then also you need something like this. This is called as sound card. This is C type, and if your laptop does not support the C type USB, then you can get a sound card which comes with that normal USB interface. But this is the most important tool you need for the setup. Okay, so then guys, what is the next thing you need? You need this cable. Okay, so on one side you have 3.5 mm jack, on other side you have RCA cables. Okay, so basically this cable will connect your line mixer to your laptop or to any device. And today I'll be using my tab, so on which you have stored your audio files. For example, you want to sing a song online, and you have stored your music in either in your tab, or you want to play a music from YouTube. Okay, then you can connect your tab, or your music is in your laptop. To connect that thing to this line mixer, you need this. Okay, so then another most important cable, you need this output cable. So guys, I'm using my old handycam cable. Okay, so very important. On one side it will have these two RCA pins. Okay, the yellow pin is also there, but which we will not use, it is only for the video. Okay, so left and right RCA, and on the other edge you see this TRRS side. Okay, so guys, if you look at this, it looks like normal 3.5 mm jack, but it is not. So 3.5 mm jack is called as TRS jack. So TRS, so it has two rings here. You can see this, one and two, left and right stereo. So but this thing has three rings. Okay, left and right stereo, and one ring for the mic. So very important, you need this TRRS cable. Okay, so there is another TRSS cable also which is available. On one side it has 3.5 mm jack or TRS jack, on other side it has TRRS jack. So I am putting both together so that you can understand the difference. Very important, when you want to connect your a line mixer to your mobile phone, you need this TRRS cable. Okay, So guys, now let us start with the setup. Let us start with the setup. Okay. So first thing which we need is I need to connect my tablet to my LineMixer. Okay. So what I'll do is, see, this is my tablet. I turn it on. So I want to play some music from the YouTube. So what I want is I want the music from this, my tab should go to my LineMixer. So what I do is I take this cable, so which is 3.5 mm or TRS to RCA cable. Okay. So this goes here in the 3.5 mm jack. So guys, if you do not have tablet, you can replace this tablet with another phone, or you can replace this tablet with your laptop or anything, just for the convenience, because I do not have much of space and I want to show you everything, so I am using my tablet. Okay, so this comes from here, then the other edge goes to my LineMixer. Okay, so right in right, left in left means, or red in red and white in white. Okay, so one thing connected. So guys, at the same time I also want to connect my condenser mic. I also want to connect my condenser mic to my LineMixer. So this is the cable which comes from condenser mic. We call it as XLR cable. Okay, so I will show you, like, let us see if the mic can come. Okay, so guys, this is my condenser mic and this is the cable which comes from my condenser mic. So XLR input, I will connect it in the mic in. So this goes to mic in. So now whatever I speak here will go to the mixer, and from mixer it is going to go to my mobile. Okay, so when I am online, so people can listen me through my condenser mic. Okay, so this also connected. Okay, now guys, another part is we need to take the output from the mixer. So again, left and right output. Now, so this, I had a cable that was normal XLR, so I need XLR to 3 RCA to 6.5 mm adapters. Okay, so they are little big in size, easily you can find them in any store which sells these kind of things. So this is my output which is connected. Okay, now guys, the other edge, the TTRS side, okay, it will go to my audio or the sound card. Okay, when we use it with laptop we call it as sound card, and when we use it with our mobile phone we call it as normally adapter. Okay, so TRRS to type C adapter. Okay, so then this adapter, it goes in my mobile. This adapter goes in my mobile. So guys, now when I open my phone, I open the video. Okay, I want to do the video recording. So now whatever I speak, okay, all the input will come through the mixer. All the input or all the sound will come through the mixer. It will not record my direct input. Okay, so when I turn it on, see, it shows recording through, again, recording through USB mic. See, it shows here. Okay, so whatever I play, whatever goes to the LineMixer, they will be sent to my phone. Okay, so now our connections are complete. So what we will do is, now we will power on our LineMixer. So before we power it on, I will set all the inputs to 0. Okay, so this is very important to do it, because if we do not do it, then sometimes suddenly a glitch comes, it can destroy your equipment. So too much of sound comes. So now let us turn on our LineMixer. So mixer is on. So the welcome message, hi, then line in, and let us engage my 48 watt phantom power to power my mic. Okay, now we will increase the gain step by step. I'll increase the peak, I'll increase the gain here, gain there, main and headphones. Okay, now guys, my mobile is connected to my LineMixer. Okay, so whatever I speak, now whatever I speak in my condenser mic, see, I am tapping my condenser mic and you can see an input here and you can see the input here. So whatever I speak in my condenser mic will go to my mobile, or whatever music I play on my tablet will also go to my mobile using this LineMixer. Okay, now if I open the sound recorder, now guys, I opened the sound recorder here on my phone. Okay, and I'll play something from the tab. Let us play this and I will start the sound recorder. See, even if I do not speak anything, you can see the input is going. Now what is happening? This sound recorder on my phone is recording the music from the tab, okay, and it is also recording the music from the mic where I am speaking. So both are getting mixed up here in the mixer, and then through this, so they are going to my phone and they are getting stored. Okay, so now let us play what we recorded. Now let us play. Okay, and it is also recording the music from the mic where I am speaking. So both are getting mixed up here in the mixer. Now guys, what was happening was, whatever I was saying, whatever I was playing, okay, everything was going here. You cannot listen anything. Okay, now this is not how it works. So if you want to listen what is being played or what is going live, so for that you have to attach either a headphone. So I have a headphones here, and here on my mixer there is a headphone jack, so I can attach my headphone, and then whatever I speak and whatever I play, I can listen on my headphones. Okay, now we don't want that, just for the demo. So what I'll do is I will attach a external speaker here. I will attach a external speaker here. So now whatever I speak, you can see my voice is coming to the speaker, plus the background music is also coming through the speaker. So whatever is coming through the speaker, same thing is going in the mobile, same thing is going in the mobile. Okay, so now guys, the main part, let us use this setup and we will try to go live. So before we go live, like as I recorded the audio, similarly I will record one video, then we will try to go live. So guys, now you can listen to the background music and you can listen to me. Okay, so I'm speaking and the background music is playing. So guys, in the next part of the video, we will try to go live on YouTube. So guys, this is my YouTube channel and let us go live. So guys, this is the first time I'm going live. Okay, so let us see how it goes. Okay, so let us go live. Okay, so we are live now. Okay, so guys, while I'm speaking, so let us play something in the background. So I hope you can listen to the music, and I'm using my condenser mic and my tablet. Okay, so the tablet can be replaced with the tablet, or it can be replaced with the laptop or anything. So guys, in the next part of the video, I will append that part which went live on YouTube for your reference. Speaking, so let us play something in the background. So I hope you can listen to the music, and I'm using my condenser mic and my tablet. Okay, so the tablet can be replaced with the tablet, or it can be replaced with the laptop or anything. So guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more setup videos and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned. And let us end this live video. Okay.